Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk to you about the types of payout method on TikTok. It's very easy guys, so I'm going to explain things about this payout method and actually how you can use this payout method to get your money from TikTok. Okay, so guys, the first one on my list is PayPal. All right, so you can actually get your money from TikTok through PayPal. All right, so but this actually depends on your country. It actually depends on your country because on TikTok they have different payout method for different countries. So my country payout method could not be the same with your country payout method, so it's actually different. So but PayPal happens to be one of the most popular payout method on TikTok. All right, so PayPal is one of them. So all you basically need to do is to create a PayPal account, link to your TikTok account, and then you can be able to withdraw your money through PayPal. All right, so the next one is Payoneer. All right, so users can as well withdraw through Payoneer. So same thing goes for Payoneer. All you have to do is to create a Payoneer account and link to your TikTok account, and then you can be able to withdraw your money. All right, so finally the third one is bank account. All right, so you can actually withdraw directly to your bank account. Okay, so all you have to do is to link your bank account details to TikTok, and then you can withdraw directly to your bank account. All right, so that's the three types of payout method on TikTok. Hope you now know the three types of payout method on TikTok. If yes, give this video a like. If you have any questions on how to link any of these payout methods to your TikTok account, drop a comment in the comment section and I will reply to that. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.